From the summits of the Rockies to the mighty redwood trees, we're 1,000 wheels of freight train